How to place an order on TeeChip. Once you found the design you would like to buy, select the product that you want it printed on. Product selection varies by listing, so not all designs will have the same product selection. Next, select your preferred color and your size. If you need help with sizing, click the size guide above for a detailed breakdown of each product size. Finally, select the quantity and click Add to Cart or Buy It Now. The next page is where you can see all the items in your cart as well as any recommendations for other products you may like. Once you're satisfied with your selection, click Proceed to Checkout to go to the checkout page. Fill out your name, shipping address, and billing information, double check it for accuracy, and click Place Your Order. You'll receive a confirmation email with your order number shortly after, and then a tracking update once the item ships. If you don't receive the confirmation email, please check your spam folder, as automated emails are sometimes mistaken as spam. Thanks for shopping with TeeChip.